The new Malibu Eco with eAssist has several features that contribute to its estimated 25 city, 37 highway fuel economy. One of them is the Eco mode on its standard dual-zone climate control system. Pressing the air conditioning button once puts the system in Eco mode. This is indicated by the LED light showing amber. In Eco mode, the frequency and duration of engine shutoff when you come to stop is increased by optimizing the air conditioning for increased efficiency. This increases fuel economy. Press the button again and you put the system in Comfort mode, signified by the LED light turning green. In Comfort mode, the frequency and duration of the engine shutoff operation is decreased for optimized cooling. Pressing the air conditioning button a third time returns the system to its default setting, in which both the air conditioning and the LED light are off. Note too that when the system is in Eco or Comfort mode and the engine is turned off, the system will remain in that mode when the engine is turned on again.